The Supreme Court will hear CBI Director Alok Verma's plea challenging the government's order that divested him of his responsibilities.
A bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi is likely to consider the response of Alok Verma given in a sealed cover. Earlier, the Apex Court had expressed its displeasure over the leak of Verma's response to the CVC findings. The allegations have been levelled against Verma by his deputy Rakesh Asthana, against whom an FIR has been lodged by the CBI on graft charges. Asthana was also sent on leave by the centre. Meenakshi Bhanja joining us live on this big story. Meenakshi, it's a big day today. Once again, we are in a position where Alok Verma will be given a hearing. Clearly, he is contending that his removal was not as per procedure because there is a period of 2-year term for the CBI director, and also there is an empowered panel of individuals who are authorized to remove him. The fact that he was divested of his powers in the name of being sent on leave, that is something that Alok Verma is contesting today?
Well, indeed, this is a matter which is very, very high stake, and it is also poised at a very, very critical juncture. Remember what happened in the last date of hearing. The Supreme Court clearly expressed a great amount of displeasure at the manner in which there was selective leakage within some media fraternities about the reply which Alok Verma had submitted to CVC. Even that was sought to be explained away by Fali Nariman because the bench felt that the essence of its earlier directions, where the bench had urged upon all the parties to maintain utmost confidentiality, given the fact again that this is perhaps an unprecedented sensitive matter, was not really paid heed to. And after expressing a great amount of dissatisfaction with the proceedings, the Honourable Chief Justice of India had got mighty upset, and the hearing had got adjourned till the 29th, which is today. And today again, of course, the entire case has to be looked at by the Honourable Supreme Court of India. We have confirmation that Alok Verma on his part has rebutted most of the primary charges against him. And the interesting part is that on an earlier hearing in the Supreme Court, we've received an indication of the contents of the CVC inquiry report. Remember, Afrida, the Honourable Chief Justice of India had categorized this report in 4 parts, saying that some portions were highly complimentary, some were complementary, and there were also parts which were highly uncomplimentary insofar as Alok Verma is concerned. And the government on its part has come out with explanations about the entire fiasco. We have seen the likes of Arun Jaitley come out in public domain and explain as to how this was a situation which warranted this kind of an intervention from the highest government quarters, because this was the Prime Minister choosing to uphold the sanctity or the integrity of the agency over and above a couple of sparring officers. And since both of them were trading allegations against each other, it was only fair that both stood divested of their powers. Now, the critical part here is this, that Alok Verma, in natural course, will be retiring sometime in January. It is the second week of January, we have been given to understand, is his natural retirement date. So for him, it is of utmost importance that this matter concludes one way or the other very soon.
Right, very important, Meenakshi, the issues that you're pointing out, and we'll keep tracking those details with you. Thanks for joining us for now.